Hello guys, welcome to AVFX Hub. We'll be looking at the currency pair CADJPY to see how we can catch some good pips as during the week as the market opens. Okay, so we're going to look at some analysis to see how we put some technical work here to making profits in the market. Okay, so now we're going to look at the CADJPY. If you look at the market here, you'll find out that we have a head and shoulder forming here. This is the H4 4-hour time frame. We have the head and shoulder forming. That is the left shoulder here. That's the left shoulder forming there. Okay. And we have the head. Now, this pattern is a major reversal pattern. So anytime we see this pattern forming on key levels, on high of markets, at end of a bear market, on key levels, can be Fibonacci levels, can be support and resistance levels if it's the inverted head and shoulder for the support level, or the normal head and shoulder for the resistance level. Here's the right shoulder. Okay, so we'll spot this pattern, and all of this is the neckline. Okay, all of this is the neckline. So after spotting this, we are sure to make a trade entry. But since market has already moved, so we are waiting for a second entry. Okay, we are waiting for a second entry. All right, so that's the neckline. Now, where are we going to take our second entry? Now, at the break of the neckline, this is a full bear. This candle that formed here is a full bear trend candle, okay? Telling us that the sellers are still in the market, okay, pushing the price down, all right? And we have this little pullback here. You can see this pullback here, okay? You can see this pullback. Now that pullback is a test, okay? It's a test of the neckline, okay, of the neckline, all right? It's a test of the neckline. We're going to see that. Okay, it's a retest of the neckline. Okay, even though price didn't get there, but that pullback actually showed us that this pullback here, you can see it. Okay, this is a pullback. As pullbacks, sometimes it could be one trend, one bar against the dominant trend. Okay, right. So this is a pullback. All right. So now, even if we are taking this neckline, this neckline is slopey. It's not horizontal, but for most traders, they will be like, okay, these are support levels. All right. You can see the pullback testing any of these levels, all right? And also we can see this rejection here, all right? So having seen that, we want to see how we can make a trade entry once the market opens so that we can make some good pips with good entry. All right. Now, signifying the end of the trend, this major reversal pattern here, the head and shoulder shows the trend reversal, which is this uptrend here. So now we see the break of the neckline here, okay, and we see the confirmed lower high. Why I call it the confirmed lower high? Because sometimes you can get this is a lower high too, which most traders, conservative traders, wait for the right shoulder to form before they really say the market is trending in the opposite direction, forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, is also a lower low here. It's a low. Is also a lower low here. Okay, and this is a lower high as well. Okay, so now we want to see how we can trade this. Okay, using placing this here. Okay, we draw our fib to measure the resist the level. Draw a fib from here, this high, to this point. Okay, now price is close to our take profit levels here. You can see that our first take profit level, which is minus 27.0%. Okay, also price probably likely get to our second take profit level, which is minus 61.8%. And if you notice, this pullback all happen inside the fib zone here. Okay, the 61.8, 50%, 38.2 are all PRZ levels. You can see this pin bar rejection here in this 38.2% level, fib level, okay, showing us a strong sell pressure. I can see the next bearish candle, engulfing candle that followed it is a full bear trend candle. All right, and you can see also this pullback as well that happened here. Okay, you can see how it is. It also happened at 38.2% fib level. All right, so we have that to our confidence in trading that trade, to build our confidence, okay, before we take the trade. Now, since this market, most people might have entered this market now, we're looking for a second entry. So we've marked out those zones there, those levels there. Likely want to see what price will do there. We draw our trend line. We have our trend line in place there. Now, looking at this move, price may get to our first take profit level and give a pullback to this level, or price might probably come to our second take profit level. Okay, expect price to come to our second take profit level, give a retracement to retest this support level. Okay, hope you all can get that. You see this, all right? So likely any of these can happen. It probably may not get to that trend line for a second touch, for a third touch to say. It might retest this support level here. Okay. If price gets to move from here without breaking down, if price gets to move from here, drop, you might have another drop again. But if it doesn't, If price drops all through down here, we'll have price come back to test that level, retest that level there, and either on that support level, that area, and then we have this dropping. Okay, using our fib to measure that distance to our take profit, first take profit level and second take profit level. Okay, so we have that in consideration when we are looking at to trade this trade. Okay, we have this support level here. Price has to break down to first, which definitely to break, because this looks like an inside bar forming here. And if the next candlestick that forms after this inside bar is a bearish candlestick closing below this inside bar fully, then we'll expect a drop. Okay, a market drop to this second take profit level, and probably price may reverse to retest this support level and drop. Okay, or price may keep dropping and making pullbacks like that. Okay, if you go to the lower time frame, the other time frame, which is the 1 hour, okay, you see definitely on H1 here, we see that market is kind of creating a pullback. Okay, so we can see something like this. Okay, drop. All right, and price may keep dropping later on or get to this level. Okay, give a third touch, then drop. All right, but these support levels here, they look a bit stronger to me because they are more than the 1, 2, 3, and we have lots of price action in this area. Okay, and we have a candlestick support level here. All right, so you can see price may go give a pullback, that's a retest of the support level, making it support on resistance. Okay, making it support on resistance. Then we enter this trade with a candlestick confirmation, that bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar, bearish arami, and we ride the trade to this level and take our profit, make our pips, and watch for any pullback again, either to a third touch on this trend line or any other pullback that may occur as the trend progress. Okay, so that's it, guys. We watch this, see how this trade setup may likely lay out. All right, do have a nice day. Thank you.